I'll be building and testing a pinhole camera. A pinhole camera is a camera without a lens. The materials needed to build this project are tape, scissors, a ruler, a pencil with a sharp point, an Exacto knife, wax paper, and a shoebox. The materials needed to test this project are a blanket, a lamp, your camera, and a dimly lit room. The first step to building a pinhole camera is to poke a hole on the shorter ends of the box with the sharp point of your pencil. The next step is on the other short side. Trace a 2 by 2 inch square. The next step is to use your Exacto knife to cut out your square. Be careful when using the Exacto knife. After you've cut out your square, you can use it to trace a square onto the wax paper. After you've traced your square, use the scissors to cut it out. Keep the scissors pointed away from you whenever you're cutting out your square, and keep the scissors away from your fingers. Once you cut out your square of wax paper, place it on the opening of the box and take the edges of the wax paper onto the outside of the box. Now that you've built your camera, it's time to test it. The first step to testing your pinhole camera is to unravel your blanket and to place it over your head. When using your pinhole camera, the wax paper should be facing you and the pinhole should be facing your lamp. You should be 5 feet away from your lamp. Have your camera arm lengths away from your face. When done correctly, you should see an image of the lamp upside down. And congratulations, you've officially built a pinhole camera. You can also try different materials, different distances, and different size holes. Have fun with your pinhole camera.